Hello everyone, welcome back to Protech Genius. Well, this is me Surya Prakash, and in today's video, I will be sharing you guys how to make an Textplus account. Well, for proofs, I'll show you guys my account. I'll be teaching you guys how to sign up for a Textplus account and obtain a Textplus number, and I'll be showing you guys the errors which may occur while choosing your own local phone number in the Textplus account. And as a bonus, I have another important thing to share to you, that is how to make social media accounts using the Textplus number. Well, I'll be explaining each and everything in this video, and I'll be giving you guys suggestions and links to other videos which I am not explaining in this video. So please watch this video until the end if you want to get to learn more about the things and stuffs. Well guys, now before moving on to the video, I have something very important to share to you guys. The thing is that our channel is getting monetized in the year 2024. So if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, all you have to do is go click on subscribe button and the bell button near the subscribe button. Now as our monetization feature has been enabled, now you'll be able to find the join button near the subscribe button. So while making sure that you have subscribed the channel, just go take a look at the perks which is provided by a channel if you join as a committee member of a channel. It's generally going to be helpful to you, as I'll be giving you one-on-one problem solving solutions and member only exclusive videos for people who join even for the basic plan, that is $1 a month plan. I'll be helping guys personally. Even if you have problems after watching this video, I'll be helping guys personally. So it's a very good offer, right? So what are you waiting for? Just go join as a member of a community. Now, number one, in order to make an Textplus account in the year 2024, for more proofs, I'll be showing you guys the date which I'm recording this video. This video is being recorded at 7th Jan 2024. Okay, so people who are located in the US and Canada, you will have actually no problems or little problems compared to people who are located outside, especially in the Asian countries, while installing the Textno application or making an account or anything. Well, if you want to know the reason why it's happening, then it's because of a certain important Textplus update of 2023. Well, the update was released in the year 2023 in the month of October, I guess. Well, go take a look at this video. This video will show you guys why the problem is occurring, so you'll be able to understand why the problem is happening and you'll be able to solve it more efficiently. So guys, if you want to watch this video, then this video's link will be available in the description and the first comment. I have pinned a comment, so before quitting this video, please go take a look at the comment section. There not only this video's link, but a lot of important videos links will be provided in the description, which will help you in your technical journey. Now, first of all, during the installation process, even if you're located in places such as India or Bangladesh or any other Asian countries, let's say Pakistan or anything, this app will be available to you. All you have to do is go navigate to the Play Store and just install the application. Well, this app has pretty much a good review, but if you still want an in-depth review of why this application is used and what is its best features, then that video's link will also be available in the description. Please go take a look at it. Now I'll be opening the application. Well, the thing is that I already have an account, so that's why it's coming to me like this. But for you people, you would find the sign up button. Just go click on the sign up. A very important thing which you have to remember is that when clicking on sign up, make sure that you sign up using a Google account. Do not sign up using your email address. Just click on the button that is sign up with Google. It will help you in the future error solving steps which I am going to tell you at the end of this video. Make sure to sign up using Google. After signing up, signing up is very easy. The next step is to obtain a number. Well, if you successfully obtain a number, this is the page which you will get or which you should get. But if you are facing any of the errors, the errors will mainly occur in this step. And the error which will most probably occur to you guys is that, oops, something went wrong, please check your connection and try again. This is one of the most what should I say, common error, and this is actually the most irritating error in the Textplus application. Well, actually this error is still solvable. Well, if you people are new to our channel, then you may have not yet come across this video. This video actually teaches you how to solve that specific error in the text no number obtaining process, step. So guys, this video's link also will be available in the description and the first comment, so please go take a look at it. And even if this video's link is not available, please go take a look at my channel. Inside my channel, this video's link will be available. Well, try it 3 to 4 times. Even if it's still not possible, make sure to leave it in the comment section. I'll be glad to help you, or mail me, or you can join and connect with me on social media, one-on-one social media. We just become a member of a community. Now, after solving this error, you'll be shown this page. This is the page which you get after obtaining a Textplus number. Now, after obtaining number, you have to make sure that you first of all earn some credits. Credits can be earned by a lot of ways. The most easiest way to earn credits is that you should watch a rewarded video. If you watch a rewarded video, you would be credited with US $0.02. That is equal to 2 credits in the Textplus application. Well, as you can see my balance, I got credited with 2 credits at 17/9/2023. That is 17th of September 2023. Well, after you have successfully obtained a minimum credit, this is at least 2 credits, you do not have to worry about your account being disabled or something. The only thing you have to worry about is your number being given to someone else. This happens when you are inactive in the Textplus application. Your number is going to be given to someone else if your number has not yet received any calls or text or messages, or if you have not yet made any calls, texts or messages. That is, if you have no incoming or outgoing in the past 1 week, your number is going to get transferred to some other person. And if your number gets transferred, then it's going to be really hard to again obtain this number. It's going to be near to impossible. And if you're going to get your number released, then you have to go to all the trouble steps which you faced when obtaining number once again in order to obtain a number. So make sure that you keep your number active, and you just at least give a missed call to any of the other numbers you have. So just remember to give a missed call to US or Canada numbers, or should I say the North American numbers. As you can see, now recently I texted a number. Well, texting actually doesn't reduce your credit balance. So in order to be active, just text some other US or Canada number. You can obtain 2 numbers by cloning the application. If you do not know about the clone and stuffs, then please go take a look at the description. I'm trying to end this video shortly, so I do not have time to explain about the cloning and the steps involved in the cloning process. Well, if you earn more credits, you can also use your credit for something like, wait, first of all I'll show you guys how to do the credit swap. You must go here and you must click on here, and you can just removing ads is pretty much waste. All you have to do is keep enable this, use your 50 credits in order to keep a number for a month. Now guys, that is everything regarding to Textplus and its tips. Well, if you want to learn more tips, I'll try to post it in another separate video, or if I already posted it, I'll leave this video's link in the description. Now moving back to the bonus section, the thing about making social media accounts such as WhatsApp and Telegram using Textplus Number. Well, as you can see, this is my new number. So, and when you're making a social media account such as WhatsApp and Telegram using Textplus Number, you would actually mostly probably face the 2 errors. The 2 errors are going to be, number 1, we couldn't send an SMS to your number. Please check your number and try in 1 hour. This happens when your number is marked as spam by the WhatsApp or any other social media provider. The next error is going to be, your number is not a valid mobile number for the country United States. Well, this happens when you are using some other North American number in the United States, but still there may be a lot of other reasons. So in order to solve this problem, you would have to go and watch this specific video. There is none of the videos in the YouTube which gives you as much as good information and hands-on information as this video and this channel. So guys, please once again consider click on the subscribe button. Now we are going to focus on making or obtaining a Telegram account using virtual phone number which we get from the Textplus application. then this video here is the best thing for it. Actually, the thing is that other applications are also good, but other top applications such as TextNow has actually made the OTP features to be paid. But with the TextPlus application, you would be able to receive OTPs like this. This is the proof for you guys. You'll be able to receive OTPs for free, and even you would receive OTP calls. I even recently got a call. As you can see, the plus one and all the other cybers are going to be an advertisement call, or let's say I got the call, it just delivered me with an OTP. So guys, for Telegram, where the only option to receive OTPs is going to be via text, and the TextPlus application is the best application for it. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you in order to make the TextPlus account from scratch in 2024. If you have any doubts, please feel free to leave your comments and suggestions in the comment box. And like I told before, if you did enjoy watching this video, just click on the thumbs up button located below this video, and do not forget to click on the subscribe and the bell button near the subscribe button, and please go take a look at the perks provided by channel by clicking on the join button. If you're interested, join. If you're not interested, then you can just skip it out. So guys, once again, thanks for watching this video. Until then, it's me Surya Prakash signing off from Protech Genies. Let's meet again in the next video. Until then, bye.